Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to completely reset OnePlus Nord Buds 3. This procedure is also applicable for the Buds 3 Pro model. So let's check it out. We already published our unboxing and first impressions video. I'll share it in the description along with the product link. You can check it out after watching this video if you are interested. Now to reset or restore factory settings, we have to make sure that we have unpaired our earbuds with all the devices first. Not completely necessary, but we can do this if we can. Go to paired devices, select the OnePlus Nord Buds 3 and choose the unpair option here. That's all. Now take your OnePlus Nord Buds 3 or Buds 3 Pro device. Make sure the earbuds are inside the charging case and also make sure there is enough battery. We don't want to do this when we have low battery. Then open the lid and we have the small button at the back. This is called function button. We have to press this button for like 15 seconds. Then we see this status light indicator flashing red. So I'll do this now. I'll press this function button for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. As you can see, the red color light is blinking here. So that means we have completed the reset of this device successfully. This procedure should fix almost all our Bluetooth pairing problems. Now we can pair our OnePlus Nord Buds 3 without any problem to a smartphone, laptop or even our TV. So these are the steps to reset our OnePlus Nord Buds 3 or Buds 3 Pro. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.